Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to backup contacts on the Poco C75. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, just search backup. Now from here, tap on backup and restore. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Google Backups. Now from here, you can select the data you want to backup. You can select photos and videos. You can also select other device data, which includes contacts, call history, device settings, apps and app data, SMS and MMS messages. Now once you select the data you want to backup, just tap on confirm. Now from here, tap on manage backup and tap on backup now. Now it will take a few seconds to backup your data. Now from here, if you scroll down, you can see the backup details. Now from here, as you can see, it will take some time to back up the data of our smartphone. Now as you can see, we have successfully backed up the contacts on the Poco C75. And this is how you can back up contacts on the Poco C75. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.